To add a Google Doc to your Google Classroom, the easiest way is to create a template for your students first. So in Google Docs, you would want to create how you want the Google Doc to look for your students. So for my fourth graders, I would put a place for them to type their name, and I have a numbering system in my classroom, so I would use that as well. I have the instructions, and then I actually give them a box for which they want to type it, their response. Okay, so once that Google Doc is created, I go to my Google Classroom. I'm building an assignment, so click on Create Assignment. I'm going to give this a title. This is Big Idea Writing for Esperanza Rising. I have some instructions. I want them to open the Google Doc and write their response to the prompt. I could put a due date. I could also choose a topic. So this topic is Esperanza Rising. I go ahead and click that. If you needed to create a new topic, you could go ahead and just click Create Topic. Since I'm adding something from my Google Drive, this is the Google Drive icon. So go ahead and click on that. And it defaults to Recent. One of my recent documents is right here, Changing Esperanza Rising. I go ahead and click on that, and I click Add. If you don't see your document because it isn't something you've made recently, you can click on My Drive and search the drive to find the document you want to share. You go ahead and click Add. You want to be sure that this setting right here is changed to make a copy for each student, because you want each student to have a copy of the document. Student can view the file as just for, say, a PDF, and you want them to read it. If you want them all to edit the same document, which you probably do not want 30 students editing the same document, you would want to make a copy for each student. Then you go ahead and click Assign. And here you can see the assignment for your students. You have the number of students that are not done and the number that are done. For the student view, this is what it will look like for students. You see the name of the assignment. It says the instructions, open the Google Doc and write your response to the prompt. So students actually need to click on Open for the assignment. And what's neat is it will actually put their name right here on the assignment. And that's how it will be stored on your Google Drive. So the students would just click on this, and it will open up a Google Doc for them where they can put their response in. Once students are finished with their assignment, they can go ahead and click Turn In. It'll take them back to the classroom, ask them if they are sure they want to turn it in. They click Turn It In, and the assignment is now marked as done in the classroom. Back on the teacher side, we can see that we have one student who is done. And that's all there is to adding a Google Doc to your Google Classroom.